You're so sweet. Say hi.
Sorry, my eyes are on Akira. Akira! Hey, thank you, guys. Yeah, nowadays she's in a very assault mode.
Kai valikkudu.
I'm holding her. Pavi.
Come this way.
Just take my fam and go somewhere. Hello.
Akira is so cute.
You're very cute, it seems. Are you? Don't play tabla on my face, woman. Yeah. So, any questions? Any good questions? Hi, guys. Akira is saying that, Dad, I also want to talk with people in life. Does it look like she looks like she wants to learn karate? Shruti, I'll stand little here. What is this? Are you also be in the frame? Hey, kadule. பொறுமை ரொம்ப முக்கியம். நீங்க வந்து if you I don't think they're even listening to me. பொறுமை is very important. You should be patient. You don't expect don't expect quick things are cure. These are to prevent is the main. Prevention is better than cure. Why are you not standing the frame? Why are you distracting me, Shruti?
Because they want to see only Akira, not us.
Hey, important things I'm talking. Okay, fine. So, what I meant is, please be safe. Please follow protocols, and let's beat COVID, guys. And also, நான் இதுக்கு முன்னாடி அந்த $1 million கேள்வி கூட கேட்டேன். Did you?
Akira, did you?
She's making sambar on my head. Hello. Ew. Hello. Okay. Yeah. Hi Nakul ji, हिंदी में दर्शकों से इंग्लिश में बात करना ये दर्शाता है कि लोग मेरे भाई
முடியாது
ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் I wanted to be everything எல்லாருக்கும் புரியணும். It should be English, Tamil, Hindi, whatever, man. It should go. Communication is more important. Love is more important. I want to express love, and I get love from you guys.
Are you sleepy?
Relationship tips, please. That was tough to say. Relationship tips. Okay, relationship tips. There is no. What is the tip? You just empathize with your partner. Anytime you feel, would you do it? Na kelvi kelanga. Ask yourself that. Hey, please, wash the vessels, or clean the house, or anything. Ask, would you do it? If she asked you the same question, or he asked you the same question, இது பண்ணி கொடு, or இது பண்ணு, do this, do that, will life be happy? Will you be happy? I think that's the only thing I see it. I keep it very simple, When I want to irritate her, I just irritate her.
Yeah, and I irritate him back.
I don't like that, Shruti. Behave. Okay.
Akira is so cute.
You're very cute, it seems. Are you? Don't play tabla on my face, woman. Yeah. So, any questions? Any good questions? Hi, guys.
Cute baby. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி வெறும் வாக்கிங் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன். Thank you sir.
I'm glad. I'm really glad. இல்ல வாக்கிங் கூட பண்ணுங்க. It's a great workout. Skipping கூட பண்ணலாம். But don't do anything that is going to make you feel like, ஒரு 1 month down the line, ஐயோ அந்த மாதிரி ஒர்க் ஆடா சான்ஸ் இல்லை, அதெல்லாம் பண்ண முடியாது. During my first film also, காதலர் விழுந்தேன், என் டிரெக்டர் வந்து ஆஃபீஸில் கூலாக சொன்னார், ஒரு 10 கிலோ குறைக்கணும் நக்குல்லிங்க. I did the worst of the things, like stopped eating food, running on Besant Nagar beach from the sea to the shore, front back, glide drop, uchi veil, because I wanted to darken up, also tan up and things like that and all. If you tell me to do those things again, hell no, chance illa. My mind will be like,
ஓடிடுடா
புள்ள. So we can't, don't do such things. Do something like today. I tell you, come on guys, let's go work out now. Okay, let's go do something. Let's make some good energy. Let's spend some good energy. And the mari, it should be lifelong இருக்கணும். Food கூட அப்படிதான் இருக்கணும். It's not like I'm like on a strict diet. I only eat vegetables. I only eat steamed vegetables and chicken and rice and அப்படி இல்ல.
Keto.
No. Don't. I've done some very stupid things like that. I've done the keto diet. I've done the OMAD diet, 1 meal a day diet. I actually started putting on more weight than losing weight. It is very, very stupid, all these things. Balanced diet. And the most important thing is patience. Porumai. Quick results. They don't last. They come quickly, they go quickly. Remember that. upper body is lean but my lower body is huge and my thighs. Okay, there is no spot reduction. Calories are the most important. What you eat, how much you eat matters. So adhikku vande odane I stop eating. Woman, you want your father to wear wig in movies, ada? Huh? You want that, don't you? She wants that. Anyways. So if I have lost my hair, it's all because of her. Anyways. So what I was saying is, yeah, there is no spot reduction. Always look at your food as energy, not just taste. Amma! Not just taste. Okay? Think of it like idu theviya, idu venuma. Ipo ninga oru samosa saaptinga. One samosa doesn't make a difference. It's okay. It's fine. But then, it was delicious. I want to have one more samosa. Do you really want that samosa? Do you want to burn that samosa? 300, 400 calories? Is it required? Abdi paranga. Look at your food as a source of energy first.
Hold up for some time.
Look at the food as a source of energy, not as something that makes you happy alone. Hell no. Participate in Big Boss 5. Without her, 3 months. I love Kamal sir, but not so much also. And,
She likes to puck hours.
yeah, she loves to do all those things. So yeah, thank you guys. Next movie enna bro solunga. Yeah, இப்போதான் ஷூட்டிங் முடிச்சு நான் வந்திருக்கேன். It's like so good. I'm doing 10 films. Like hello, beat the pandemic first, guys. Let's beat the pandemic.
No. Are you hungry?
You should start asking mask up, social distancing and sanitize. Haven't we all been? We've all been asking. Ask, would you do it? If she asked you the same question or he asked you the same question, இது பண்ணி கொடு, இது பண்ணு, do this, do that. Will life be happy? Will you be happy? I think that's the only thing I see it. I keep it very simple, yeah. When I want to irritate her, I just irritate her.
Yeah, and I irritate him back.
I don't like that, Shruti. Behave. Okay. Any other questions, guys? Hey, thank you. I like your dance. Thank you. Wish I can hold Akira for some time and those chips.
No.
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 No. I'm very strict father. Hi, Na. Hi, Annie. Hi. Okay. So, I think that should do. We'll again have one proper...
What are you trying to talk?
So much screen time she's getting. I'm not showing her the screen. Anyways. Yeah, so we'll again do a live. And this was just a random hi, hello. Keep some questions ready. Maybe Sunday? Sunday we'll do a live. Sunday we'll do something. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Oh, that pakoda was there. So, what about dieting? What about all that? Who cares? So, I'll tell you this one tip. What I do is one good meal in a day. One good meal. That doesn't mean I eat 10,000 calories in one meal. Appadi illa. One good meal. I feel like eating sambar.
You didn't tell me. Akira.
Hi, guys.
Akira.
Chuma, we just thought we'd say a quick hi. You're telling your followers that you have started a live video. Hey, somebody come.
Are you meritifying?
I do that, honey. That's my fam. I talk like that to my fam. Where are you? Hola.
Oh.
Hi, guys.